Yeti Kromaya and the deputy chief executive officer, National Service Authority, Fuseni Donko. You can't hear the evidence, yaba. You can't hear Chidem. Sir President Mahama, a promise Assemblies of God. Sir Oba, a Assemblies of God for Kwan a bet Mabuano. Amanadi president into Oba. Obesi asore maku edu edi amom. Asore maku dunu. The money involved. A chain National Cathedral. Sikano, NDC 4 year who did no. The hypocrisy of the NDC and I make them way. Asore maku do the money involved in the construction no a chain the National Cathedral no the money involved. Fuseni Donko akwatena G1 TV eka se President Mahama kanokure. Na bra President Mahama ekwa campaign no okatira Assemblies of God to say Assemblies of God nyame eboa na obesi asore maku edu edi amom and 20,000 Ghana cedis no 20,000 Ghana cedis na ekona nye no nko a afi we Fuseni Donko eho kra na me wa we na be mabufuo no afi we Fuseni Donko Onwa kwatena G1 Emobia tiasie se President John Dramani Mahama ne bosha o share se obesi nsore maku edu edi ama Assemblies of God no wasi ne President Mahama pesa o kire ne se wo ma to aba ne ma ne nyina no no mo ya Assemblies of God for anti Pentecost for nka ho SDA for nka ho because wo mo kra mpia nkwa to aba ne ti wo ma sore ne bi Pentecost for nka because on Pentecost, Roman for nka because on Roman, Presby for nka because on Roman, Anglican for nka because on Anglican, Church of Christ nka because on Church of Christ, Apostolic nka any individual churches is what work Roma. Omoka say reset omonka ho because no mo na to aba no Assemblies of God members in kwa and a man we need power nti wasi asore mako yes who see asore ma omo a obi amfa ho me amemtie me no enka me na mo say the corruption ka asem dia obi a wo na aso yire na hwe wo obi a wo criticize National Cathedral obi a wo sofu panyini kasati a National Cathedral no sa sofu panyinu agi asore mako du ama yesi asore dan ba ku bia fa nipa 2,000 fully furnished in the 5 northern regions our handing over at the Assemblies of God for na the Deputy National Service Authority the akotra ho say na do ka se obesi cathedral ketwa we kura no wantiman si na mo President Mahama ka say obesi asore dan mako edu the Assemblies of God no wa deliver. The question is onya sika no free o say National Cathedral akufo adwantima na mo President Mahama baaye no wasi asore dan mako edu eno no de yente say ohini bi afa mic aso microphone aso camera sini so say asore dan mako du na enye eno de yente ye because party na ye wo no o si asore dan mako du a eye okay namom yesi National Cathedral a SDF benya so mfaso Pentecost benya so mfaso Assemblies of God benya so mfaso Roman fo benya so mfaso Presbyterian benya so mfaso Apostolic benya so mfaso individual churches benya so mfaso say a crime obi be so camera sini so including some chiefs kroma ebe so camera asu so say a haram namom asore dan mako edu ba ko bia ye 2,000 capacity a President Mahama na also here 2024 no within 5 months no was see asore dan handing over at the Assemblies of God. And you know, Deputy National Service authority CEO eko kan G1 producer bo video no ni enko yanim.
The president has built 10 churches for the Assemblies of God. And he promised in 2024 when he was campaigning. So he was like, oh, politicians and their promises. The Okaso Obesi National Cathedral, Wanyama. So like that. But within 1 year, he delivered all 10 churches with accommodation, fully furnished with instrument and everything.
Assemblies of God.
Assemblies of
By
God.
the president.
It's not the president.
It's not even 1 year.
Yes.
6 months.
He promised that in November in Navrongo.
Okay, so let's take a look at that project.
The president has built 10 churches for the Assemblies of God. And he promised in 2024 when he was campaigning. So he was like, oh, politicians and their promises. The Okaso Obesi National Cathedral, Wanyama. So like that. But within 1 year, he delivered all 10 churches with accommodation, fully furnished with instrument and everything.
Assemblies of God.
Assemblies of
By
God.
the president.
It's not even 1 year.
Yes.
6 months.
He promised that in November in Navrongo.
Okay, so let's take a look at that project.
These are the churches.
Yeah, these are the churches.
So these are the churches.
Yeah, 10 of them. Within 1 year. The accommodation fully furnished.
It's nice, yeah.
Lordina furnished all the kitchens.
Yeah.
So the pastor's wife, all you have to do is to go into the room.
So these are 10.
Enya bronye na ekam. Fully furnished. Fully furnished. Enti ana da ho no evidence nti no within the year no asori da mako do 2000 capacity accommodation nyina wom na sana for 2000 capacity to the Assemblies of God mako do na do cathedral kitwa ikura wantimansi nti so obi oka boma the money involved no esoche national cathedral na mo se yenche na do ne na busuafo nwe na one na busuafo abetu amana se nanado anya sika nsi cathedral ne dia enke se nanado nye corrupt se nanado as a president wanya sika nsi cathedral na nanado nye corrupt enu nti na the lord for year ayi no omkwa year forensic audit hun say asembia ni hu nanado mfa akapre obia mfa akapre nye de emfirimu ba mo de year campaign e ma ne kotia the new patriotic party enam ba ye mo yi only one church so mo ne bo amo individual pastors ni omo ka ho omo bo mpaye asore aka nyina wo Ghana ha nka ho mo yi eye same wo abutuafo bi omo kọ Assemblies of God eye na mom ne eye selective de me question but the source of funding me question asore na wasi no me question the source of funding Babi a president Mahama nya sika free ye a wasi asore da mako do fully furnished 2000 capacity at the Assemblies of God for one more bushafo mo ko Assemblies of God enyeme ya na mom oye public figure there accountability onya sika no free na disi asore dan mako edu at the Assemblies of God ono ana ponti fuseni don kose National Cathedral ketwa ikura akofo adwantimansi na president Mahama kan no kurenti asore dan a bosha a ose mako dunu wasi awie fully furnished e de amani nyame oye public figure and to obia or every right oye the president of the country asore a wasi ni de wasi moda me memfa ho na mom the source of funding no de e president Mahama due to say obema Ghana fo ahu say onya sika wo he na disi asore dan mako du a wo kamboma the money involved no aye higher than the cathedral contract sum eno ye one probity and accountability as I say aduma two president Mahama nya sika no wo he na every month bia no odima NDC constituency party no so omfanye operations source of funding as a president we must know. Producer enko break mra na emewie